Well, the holy grail is how do you acquire the most customers at the lowest acquisition cost, right? That's what I think that is at the cornerstone of everything that we're looking for, right? Because once you figure that out, you can just ramp up that activity, but it's hard to get there, right? You have to be willing to try different things. You have to be willing to make mistakes, but where you can't make the mistake is in the initial strategy. It's like sailing and being 2 degrees off course and going for too long and you end up in Scotland versus South Africa, right? So it's, to have that strategy. And I think the root of that is your position in the market. And I don't think a lot of, especially smaller businesses, really take the time to say, this is my competitive landscape. Here are the competitive alternatives to us, right? If we didn't exist, who would our customers use, right? Then what are our unique attributes? What makes us different than those competitive alternatives, right? Then finally, what is the value of those key attributes? Like, what kind of value do these potential customers place on those differences, right? So then you have a very sort of structured position in the market. Who would they use besides you? What do you offer that's different? What is the value? And who is the subset of people who actually cares about those things?